Hello, and welcome to our informational video regarding the challenge exams. I am Denise Pasco, the Math Department Chair and Interim Vice Principal.
I'm Donna Darling, the Science Department Chair.
I'm Tom Smith, Chairman of the World Language Department.
It is our hope that in this video we can answer many of the questions you have regarding the challenge exams.
So why should a student take the challenge exam? Well, initial science course placement is either biology or conceptual physics. And it's based on the high school placement test scores. For placement into honours biology, or to be leveled up from conceptual physics to biology, students are required to take a department placement test, offered in the spring. Students who have not taken the high school placement test must take the science placement test, otherwise they will be placed into conceptual physics. To prepare for the test, the exam is based on middle school science. There are questions on life sciences, chemistry, physical science, and math questions on interpreting graphs and data.
Because we have incoming freshmen with a variety of skills and experience in languages, we provide the placement test to assure the most appropriate placement for our new freshmen. We use this one-hour exam to assess their skills and knowledge in Spanish, French, and Mandarin Chinese. American Sign Language placement will be done with an interview with one of our instructors. To be placed in Spanish 1 Honors, for example, the student should have the equivalent experience of having completed the first semester of Spanish 1. For Spanish 2 or 2 Honors, the student must have the equivalent skills of having completed a full year of Spanish 1 or 1 Honors. There is some advanced grammar included as well as a writing component in our exams that will give the incoming freshman the possibility to be placed in 2 or 2 Honors. We've had tremendous success in our placement with this process. If a student feels overwhelmed or under-challenged in our placement, we will of course make the necessary change within the first few weeks for appropriate placement in a language course. All courses have a period of review. Therefore, we ask that you not judge a course to be too easy too early in the quarter.
Students receive initial placement based upon their HSPT score. This score determines placement in either Algebra 1A, Algebra 1, or Algebra 1 Honors. If a student wishes to challenge this placement, they are encouraged to take the challenge exam. The challenge exam is utilized in determining the placement out of the Algebra 1 options. This exam is 90 minutes in length and is assessing mastery in concepts such as laws of exponents, simplifying polynomials with fractions, multiplying polynomials, factoring, solving and graphing quadratics, and number sense, just to name a few skills and concepts we are analyzing. The score on this exam is then used for placement, which may result in a student remaining in Algebra 1 or Algebra 1 Honors, or Algebra 2 Trig, Algebra 2 Trig Honors. If a student has successfully completed an approved geometry course in middle school, then the geometry requirement has been met. If not, then geometry is a requirement for graduation and must be taken here at JSerra. There are no makeup days for the challenge exams, and we do not offer retakes of the exam. We do not provide practice tests for the exam, but the list of covered concepts and required materials will be posted on the website. Use the resources you have access to in order to prepare: textbooks, notes, websites such as Khan Academy. Be sure to check the website for updates and details of the exams. The results will be mailed out to families on May 9th. If you have further questions regarding the challenge exams, please feel free to reach out to any of us. Thank you for your time and welcome to Lion Nation.